Hello, I'm Assistant District Attorney Darren Allemand. Among my duties at the Jefferson Parish District Attorney's Office, I have the honor and privilege of assisting our District Attorney Paul Connick with putting together our package of legislation every year. In Jefferson Parish, we've been blessed with many resources, and because we believe that those blessed with much have an obligation to work that much harder to give back to our communities, we are very active each year in putting forth legislation to improve our criminal justice system. One bill I would like to talk to you about today is House Bill 208, which became Act 131 when our governor signed it into law. This bill increases the penalty for domestic violence strangulation when the strangulation results in serious bodily injury to the victim. Louisiana law provides graduated penalties for different forms of domestic violence depending on factors such as recidivism and the underlying facts of the crime itself, and it always behooves us to consider ways to improve Louisiana's laws to see if we can do a better job protecting and getting justice for victims of domestic violence and holding abusers accountable. One form of domestic violence specifically addressed by Louisiana law is domestic violence by strangulation, which until this bill was punishable by a maximum felony penalty of 3 years imprisonment at hard labor. We felt that this 3-year maximum was not adequate to address this severe form of violence, particularly given the serious harm, both physical and psychological, inflicted on the victim, and that strangulation by nature places the victim at a serious risk of death and is one of the most significant predictors of a future domestic homicide. As such, this bill increases the penalty maximum from 3 years to 50 years imprisonment where the strangulation results in serious bodily injury. Serious bodily injury being defined in Louisiana law to include, among other things, an injury resulting in unconsciousness, extreme pain, or substantial risk of death. We were honored to advocate for this bill, and we believe that the 50-year increased sentencing maximum for domestic violence strangulation involving serious bodily injury more appropriately reflects the severity of this horrible crime. We would like to thank all of the hardworking men and women at our legislature. Special thanks go out to Representative Debbie Villio for putting forth this bill for us, and to Senator Jay Morris for his assistance when this bill reached the Senate. Thank you for watching, and we are all honored to serve you.